Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Altered Tech back again with another video. And you know, today's Black Friday and there's a lot of things out there for sale. And one of the things that actually caught my mind is these new LED light bulbs. Basically, using your Google Home Mini or maybe your Amazon Alexa, some kind of voice activated assistant, you could control your lights in your house. Now, honestly, when I first saw this, I was like, yo, how lazy can people be? I mean, all you gotta do is just get up, turn the light switch off. But then, the more and more I started using my, Google Home Mini, the more lazy I started to become. Like, first off, I was like, I don't feel like looking at the time on my phone. I'll just ask, hey Google, what time is it?
10:07.
And she just responds. When it comes to checking the temperature, traffic, you don't want to pull out your phone. You just, come in the room and hey, just ask it, whatever. There's just this one night where I'm just sitting down. I'm like, I don't want to get up and turn off the lights. So this is just, the beginning. The thing about these lights is that they're kind of pretty expensive. Like, we have the Philips Hues, which could run you about $40 for one light bulb, or was it $60? So yesterday or last night, I was in Walmart. I was just checking it out and stuff, and I actually came across these Smart Wi-Fi LED bulbs. It says it has color and white. It's by Merkury Innovations. It's a 75 watt equivalent bulb. And what else do we see? Save up to $177. Control by app or voice. The brightness, okay, so it's pretty bright. It's about 1050 lumens, and the estimated energy cost is about $1.32 per year. So it's a simple setup. All you gotta do is simply download it, screw in the light bulb, and connect. Download it in Google Play Store. Alright, so let's try and unbox this. So I paid, what'd you guys think? How much did I pay for this? Did you guess? Well, I actually paid about $12 for this one light bulb. Now, some people are probably screaming like, yo, $12 for one light bulb? When, if you think about it, we're paying like $60 for a Philips light bulb. So let's see, open this up. Merkury Innovations. We can help. Do not return this product to the store. And the thing about this, there wasn't just like a couple of these. There's like a whole shelf just filled with these light bulbs. So these are probably going to sell a ton today for Black Friday. Okay, so this is a huge light bulb. Show you guys this real quick. And yes, 2 phones, Eric Drummond. I am wearing my Hitman gloves. I don't know, ever since that first video, I just wore it. I just kept wearing it, so whatever. I guess it's a thing now, so yeah. So this is the bulb. It's a nice, sexy bulb. Now, the quality of this bulb, how do you judge a bulb's quality? I don't know how to describe it. It's just your regular light bulb. So, first, we got to download the app. Actually, let me do a better job of describing this light bulb for you guys, because this is a review channel, old tech channel. Now, instead of glass, the top actually looks like it's made out of plastic. Yeah, I think it is plastic. That's your little screw-in part. I'm probably going to edit this stuff out. But anyways, alright, so I'm going to download the app. So let's download the app first. What's the name of the app? So let's check out the quick start guide. So download the Greenie app from the Google Play Store. So I got my Google Pixel. I'm going to use my Google Pixel. Now, the thing about this is, this is cheap. Am I going to get malware with this app? Greenie, Geenie, Geeni. Alright, so I'm downloading the Geenie app. It's 57.48 megabits. Okay, so it's a big app by Merkury Innovations. Oh, then you gotta register. Alright, so I'm just gonna install this app real quick and I'll just fast forward it. I'll catch you guys in a few seconds. So fast forward. Alright, so I am trying to sign up and just look at how much crap I gotta read through. So you gotta register using your mobile number or email. Alright, so once you go through all that, that list of stuff, you just type in your email, then you hit register, continue, and then it's going to send you a verification code to your email address. So now you gotta check your email address and you type in your verification code. Okay, so once you create a password, you're gonna come into this screen where it actually says, enter the name of your house and just, type in all the rooms and stuff. And then it's going to say add device. So I'm just going to take this and just, screw it onto my lamp real quick. Okay, so I just plugged it. So I just screwed it on and I just turned on the lamp and it's super bright. Probably like one of the most brightest bulbs I've ever seen. And right now it's just blinking continuously. I guess it's probably just saying, connect me to your phone. I'm ready to be connected. Alright, so I just entered my password and I just realized there's a little issue. The issue is that you cannot connect to the 5 gigahertz range from your router. You gotta stick to the 2.4 gigahertz range. So I just had to, disconnect from the 5 gigahertz and then connect to the 2.4 gigahertz on my smartphone and then enter the password again. So right now I'm getting through, hopefully. So it should be red. It's red. Okay, so it's pretty cool. You can also change the saturation, the color, saturation, and brightness. Now I'm using my selfie camera on the Moto Z2 Force. It might not catch the exact color, but I could definitely testify that the colors are pretty deep and vibrant. The colors really pop. I'm seeing straight up red. You might see maybe orange or something, but just trust me, it's straight up red. You can create a schedule. You could choose a scene. So there's a night scene. Oh, so when you choose night scene, the bulb actually changes to a specific color to actually represent the mood. So it's night. So it's a rainbow. How is that going to work? Oh, so with rainbow, it's going to constantly change colors. Nature, probably going to be green. Yeah, it is green. So now I want to actually connect this with my Google Home. So let's see how we're going to do that. So I'll click on the Google Home app. Open this up. Genie, Gee, if you guys could see that. So the app is here, so I'll just tap on that. Okay, so how does it even work? Hey Google, turn off my bedroom lights.
Sure, turning off the
Hey Google, turn the lights on.
Okay, turning the Merkury BW904 bulb on.
Wow, she has to say all that stuff. Damn, that could be a little annoying. Turning on the Merkury BW. Alright. Hey Google, turn the lights blue.
Okay, changing the Merkury BW904
Oh man,
bulb to
you really
blue.
gotta say that. I gotta change the name of that. Settings. Name, yes. Okay, so can I actually name my light bulb? Give it a female name, Stacy. Stacy's mom. What's got it going on? Hey Google, turn the light red.
You got it, changing the Stacy to red.
Stacy. Alright, so changing the... So I can actually change the name if she's still going to actually, run with it. She's going to, actually pronounce whatever name I actually put down. So this is really cool. So, okay, this is awesome. Turn the lights to 100% brightness.
You got it, setting the light brightness to 100%.
Doesn't look that bright. Hey Google, change the lights to white.
You got it.
Holy
changing the light to
crap.
white.
Everything looks like it works pretty good. I'm very impressed. So I just had in the back of my mind, I'm kind of a little worried about the security and stuff. Do they take care of our information? Because, I'm giving them my Wi-Fi password and stuff. And, as like an engineer and programmer and stuff, I feel like I feel kind of stupid. Because, these are kind of things you don't really want to give out and stuff. So, yes, as for the product, this is the Merkury Smart Wi-Fi LED bulb. It only cost about $12 at your local Walmart. So what do I have to give it? Well, so far it's working pretty good. It's as advertised. You do have a nice control app on your phone, easy to use, simple, and it works pretty much flawlessly with your Google Home Mini. Hey Google, turn the lights red.
Sure, changing the light to red.
Hey Google, turn the lights off. Yo, what up everybody? So I was just talking to myself for about 15 or 20 minutes and I just realized my camera stopped rolling. So I don't know if any of you guys have that happen to you, any of you YouTubers out there, but I just feel kind of like because I had some good stuff, had some good jokes. I really don't make much good jokes, but so the light bulb works, if you guys are wondering. Pretty good. Hey Google, turn the lights off.
Sure, turning the light off.
Hey Google, turn the lights on.
Sure, turning the light on.
So the light bulb was at blue, so when it went off, it came back on as blue. This thing actually works really well. It does everything that I needed to. Now the only thing is, I gotta give this like a 2-week or like a 1-month trial. You know, you gotta see how well it holds up. You gotta see, you know, if there's any issues with the Wi-Fi connectivity, or does Google have trouble reaching it sometimes, or does it not respond and stuff. So far, I've had 0 issues. Everything that I've asked it, it's been able to, you know, pretty much do. It's pretty much awesome. I love it. For $12, it's pretty damn good to do. So I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. No, you guys, yesterday was Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys have a great Black Friday. Shop safe or stay home because it's super cold outside. It's about 17 degrees in New Jersey right now, super freezing. Yes, I do have my jacket on. It's super cold. So yes, and I am wearing my my Hitman gloves, what Eric Drummond and Dwight like to call. So Ultratech signing out. Hope you guys have a great day. Hope you guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you and ask any questions you have. Signing out. Peace.